the bird area isn't fully set up yet. We still have to move a lot of things around. So the setup that they're in right now is not permanent. We've only been here for not that long. So part of the reason why it's so important that I get them out for their training sessions is because their setup is not where we want it to be yet. So we're just gonna make sure that they get training and enriched other ways. Right here. I don't really consider him a free flight candidate, but I still do a little bit of recall training with him just because it's good. So even if you're not going to free fly a bird, it's still helpful to recall train them just in case they ever get out. Also, it's enriching for them, so it gives them something to do. Birdie. Yes, good job. Usually I spend a little bit more time with each of them, but I started a little late today, so the sun's going down. So I'm having to keep each training session with the birds a little bit shorter, but I try and work with them at least once in the morning and once in the afternoon, just to get them some good quality time. Obviously, each of these birds are at different skill levels and at different spots. Like Taz, for example, he couldn't fly at all when he first came to us, so the fact that he's doing any degree of recall makes me really happy. I like seeing him fly, and he's very happy to dance for you. But this is our temporary setup for right now. We're planning on building a big aviary outside for all the birds so they can all free fly, or not free fly, but fly around together again like they kind of did at the old house. So we're still in the works of putting everything together. But right now this is what's going on. So, yep, what do you think, Cass?